Guys, welcome back to the new video. So in this video we're going to make this awesome electronic e-commerce store using Elementor and the WordPress from start. So you can see that here we have the fully functional e-commerce store made by using Elementor and the WordPress, and we are not going to import any pre-made template like other YouTubers. We are going to build everything from start, step by step. Okay, so without wasting any time, let me introduce to the project. Okay, so here you can see that we are on the home page. So you can see we are on the home page. Okay, so right now you can see that we have this type of header. So we have one row, this is the second row, we have the menus and all. Okay, so you can see that on the first row we have this welcome message, welcome to the online store. Here we have this type of phone numbers and all. Also you can see that here we have the logo, and here we have the live search. So you can search here anything. Suppose I want to search for the gaming, so I can search for the gaming here. So when you search for the gaming, you can see all these things will come here like this in the live search. Also you can click on this to go to their respective pages. Suppose I want to click on this, and let's click on this also. So it will go to the respective pages from here. So you can see all these things are fully working, and we are on the main page, single product page also. Okay, here you can see all these options are there. So let's get back to the home page again. Okay, so we are on the home page again, and here you can see we are on the live search. Suppose you want to search for the gaming, and we can press enter. So when you press enter, it will go to the search result page like this. So you can see we have the search result page also, and you can also filter this from here. Okay, so let's get back to the home page again. Okay, so you can see we have this type of search result page, and this is fully working. Okay, I will show you how to make this type of fully working search page by using Elementor step by step. Okay, so now you can see here we have the menu cart option. So when you click on this menu cart, you can see we don't have any product in the menu cart. Here we have the wishlist feature also. So in this website you also have the wishlist feature, so you can click on this and you can go to the wishlist page. So right now you can see we have this one product in the wishlist, and here we can also add to cart and remove from the wishlist. Here we have the share things also. So you can share this on the Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Facebook and Instagram. Okay, so all these things are there. You can also copy this link and directly you can share this with your friends and all. Okay, so let's go back to the home page again. Okay, and also in this you have the profile page. Here we have the cart page. Okay, so if we click on this and make this open this in a new tab, so you can see we are on the my account page, and here you will find all the orders for this. Okay, these things are there. You can also view these orders from here. Okay, so this is a fully working e-commerce store built with using Elementor and the WordPress custom build. We are not gonna import any pre-made template like other YouTubers, guys. Okay, so we are gonna make everything from start, step by step. Okay, so please watch the video till end. You will understand lot of things. Okay, now you can see we have these things are there. We have this menu. Here we have the home page. Here we have the shop page categories, electronics, gaming, and music. Here we have the my account, wishlist, cart, and contact. Okay, so right now we have this option also. Okay, so let's go below. Here you can see we have this hero section. Here we have this type of shop now button and all. Here we have the categories showing there like this. Here the summer sales, Xiaomi, Flipkart. Okay, so you can add this type of layout here. Okay, so let's go below. Here you can see we have the faster delivery, this type of text here. Okay, so you can add this type of things in your website for the trust feature. Okay, now you can see we have the popular categories option. Here we have this type of categories, so you can add this type of categories here. Okay, and this is a slider, and I will show you how to make this type of custom slider. Okay, so this video is for all the guys who want to learn the WordPress and want to build something using Elementor, and this is a fully working e-commerce store which we have built using the Elementor. Okay, step by step from start. Okay, now you can see we have this featured products section. Here you can see all the product there. Here we have the browse wishlist option. We can also add this in the wishlist. Suppose I want to add this in the wishlist, so I have to just click on this art and it will add this in the wishlist. You can also click on this browse wishlist and it will take you to the wishlist page. You can see all these things are there. Okay, so this wishlist feature is also working. Here we have the add to cart feature. Okay, this add to cart is also working. Here we have this type of things. Okay, so I will show you how to make this type of things here, type of pricing and all. And this is, and you can see we have this hover effect. We have this border, and we can hover on this, and we have this border effect. Okay, so I will show you how to make this type of custom design using Elementor and the WordPress. Okay, now you can see we have this type of suite banners. Here we have this banner, shop now button. 2 banners are there. Okay, let's go below. Okay, now you can see here we have the best deal, and this best deals is in the slider. So we have this type of slider here. Okay, so I will show you how to make this type of slider also. Okay, you can see we have this add to cart button also, and also we can add to the wish list from here. Okay, so this is a custom made. You can make any type of design using the Elementor, and I will show you that how to make this. Okay, now you can see you can add this to the wish list. Okay, let's try to add this also. Okay, so my internet is little bit slow, I think today. That's why it is not responding. Okay, so you can see this is a less. It is responding, but it is a little bit late. So sorry for that. You can see we have this type of feature here. Okay, so you understand that we have this wishlist feature. So I will show you how to add this type of feature in your option and how to make this type of custom layout also. Also, you can see we have this add to cart button. All these sliders are fully responsive. You can move this with the mouse. Okay, so you can also click on this. So to go to the single shop page, like if you click on this, suppose you want to click on this add to cart, so it will take you to it's a single shop page. So now you can see here we have some image problem, but you can see here we have this type of. So let's get back to again, and I'm gonna, so let's click on this again. So you can click anywhere, it will go to the single shop page. Also you can see that here the image is a little bit blurry, but you can see here we have the category showing. Here we have this type of things, links on all showing. Okay, here we have the pricing, here we have this description, here we can also plus and minus this. Suppose I want to buy the 2 iPhone, so I can click on this and it will automatically add this, and you can also add to the wish list from here. Suppose you want to add the product from the wish list from here, so you can click on this and it will add to the wish list also. Okay, like this you can see we have this in the wish list. Okay, and add to cart button is there. Here we have the description, here we have the review. Suppose if you want to add some review, you can add it, you can also add this here. Okay, here we have the related products, so all the products related to this will appear here like this, and this is the same UI. Okay, so you can see that the UI is same everywhere. Okay, so now let's go to the home page again and we can move to the next sections. Okay, so let's move to the next section. That here you can see we have this banner. Okay, so we have this beautiful banner. Here we have this type of categories filters. So you can see here we have the all product filter. If you go to the electronics, you can see we have all the product related to the electronic. You can see we have the music also, so all the product related to the music will appear here. And at last we have the gaming things, so all the things will appear here. Okay, so I will show you how to make this type of custom filters using Elementor and the WordPress. We are not going to import any pre-made template like other YouTuber. We are going to make everything from start, step by step. Okay, so you can see you can also add this from here wish list. Okay, so we have this add to cart button here also. Okay, at last you can see we have this again CTA. So this is a simple CTA. We don't have any shop now link right now, but you can link everywhere. Okay, we have the shop now, main shop page. I will show you in a minute. Here you can see we have the top brands, all the brands are there. So here also you can see we have this hover effect on the bottom. So the border is little bit black at the first, so when we hover it will become blue. And here we have this simple top brand section. At last you can see we have the subscribe newsletter section. Here we have, and here you can see we have this beautiful footer. Okay, here we have the social icons. Here you can show all the address, phone number. Here we have all the links, shop, and here we can also download the app from here if you have the download option of your app. Here you can see we have the popular tag option, accessories, beauty, clearance, fashion, and these things. So I will show you how to make this type of custom footer using Elementor and the WordPress. Okay, so let's go to the top. Okay, now let's go to this and let's go to the shop page. So here you can see we have the shop page filters also, like we have this electronics, gaming, and music. All these categories are there. So let's go to the shop page, and after going to the shop page you can see. Okay, so let's go to the shop page. It is taking a little bit much time. So okay, so you can see that we are on the shop page. Suppose we want to filter this. Suppose we want to search something. Suppose we want to search like iPhone, and you can click, so it will load the page, and you can see we have this iPhone option here. Okay, everything is showing here, and here you can see we have this option for the reset, so we can click on the reset button, so it will reset all of these things. Okay, now you can see we have the pricing option. Suppose I want to filter this with the price. So suppose I want to search for the from 59 to 348. So you can see all the things related to this will appear here. Okay, so you can see this price is also working. We can also reset from here. Also it will show how many products found. Okay, now we can see we have this product categories filter, so we can click on this. Suppose we want to filter this with music, so we can click on the music and it will show all the product related to the music. Suppose I want to remove this, so you can click back and it will remove all of this. Suppose I want to show all the product related to the electronics, so it will show all these things like this. Okay, so you can see we have this shop page. We can also reset this from here. Also you can cross this. So right now you can see this is working. Also you can add some wish list here. Suppose you want to add some in the wish list, so we can add this in the wish list. Okay, let's add this also in the wish list. Like we can also add this. Okay, so you can see wish list feature is also working. Suppose I want to add this in the cart, so let's click on this add to cart. So it will add this in the cart. Okay, right now you can see we have the 3 products in the cart. You can also do some styling here. Okay, I will show you how to do that in this video. Okay, let's get back to the shop page again. So you can see all these filters are fully working. Okay, okay, all these things are fully working. Okay, this website is fully responsive for the smaller screens also. Okay, right now you can see we are on the my account page. So let's go to the my account page, and on the my account page right now you can see that we have to go to the login page. So I will show you how to make this my account page also. I will show you in a minute. So let's do one more thing. Let's me open this here, and here you can see we have the login. So I am logging here. So now if I go to the my account page, you can see we have this. Let's go to my account. Okay, so you can see we have this type of things. If I go to the orders, I have one order also. So you can see I have this order. We can also view this order. Okay, this order is in the processing. Okay, all these things are there. If you have the download address, will show here account details, and you can also log out from here. Okay, now let's go to the wish list from here. You can see we have this product in the wish list. Suppose I want to add this in the cart, so let's add to cart. So it will add this product in the wish list. Okay, now you can see we have the 2 products here. Okay, now let me go to this category space. Suppose I want to go to the electronics. So you can see we are on the electronics page. So all the product related to the electronics will show here, and you can see here we have this type of links updated. Okay, now let me go to this cart page from here. Also you can go from here, you can go here, and you can click on this view cart. So when you click on this view cart, it will take you to the cart option. You can see all the carts are there. Here you can also apply the coupon and apply coupon, and also you can see that all these things are. You can also update this. Suppose I want to buy these 2 items, so we can click on this, and you can see it will automatically load it, and it will update the pricing here. You can see it has updated the pricing, and let's click on this proceed to checkout, and we will place an order. Okay, so right now I'm using the cash on delivery option, so you can add some payment option also. Okay, you can see here we have this type of address already. Okay, so you can fill out all of this address. Suppose I want to enter some notes here, order notes. Suppose I want, hey, please deliver this early as possible. Okay, so you can write any custom message to your things. Okay, you can see here we have the this option also. If you want to add some coupon, you can click on this and it will appear. Okay, so right now we are placing the order in the cash on delivery. So let's place the order. Okay, so let's place the order, and after placing the order, okay, so after placing the order, it will take some time and your order will be saved here. So let's wait for that. Okay, so currently this website is in the local, but when you shift it to the hosting or live domain, it will work faster. You can see we have this type of option, and all this thank you for your order has been received. So you can just go to this my account page. Okay, or go to the my account page, or you can also click on this profile. You can see if you go to the orders, we have these all orders from here. Okay, we have done this order in this today June 8, so we can also view this order from here. Okay, so you can see all this order will be there. Okay, so you can see all these options are there. We are on the cart page, checkout page. Okay, so this website is fully e-commerce ready. You can fully make it using the Elementor and the WordPress. So I will show you how to make this type of custom website using Elementor and the WordPress. We are not gonna import any pre-made template like other YouTubers, guys. We gonna make everything from start. Okay, so if you want to learn this step by step, I'm gonna show you how to make this. So let's go to the mobile part, and I will show you how this is looking in the mobile also. So let me go here, and here I want to show this in iPhone 13 Pro Max because it has some bigger screen. So let me see, it is loading right now. Okay, so you can see we have the search product option. We can also add some padding here. Okay, I will go do all of these things. So you can see we have this type of things here fully working in the mobile screen. Okay, like this. Okay, you can see this is fully responsive for the smaller screen also. This is the slider also working. Okay, we have this filter. This is also slides. You can filter this here. Okay, all these things are there. Here we have the top brands, here we have the subscribe newsletter, all these things are there. Okay, now let me go to the top and we can visit some other pages. Like you can also click on this add to cart. This add to cart is there. You can also go to the wishlist page. Suppose I want to go to the wishlist page, so we can go and you can see we have the wishlist page here. Okay, and okay, all these things are there, guys. So suppose I want to go to any page, like let's go to the electronics page. So I think I have done responsive for this also. So let's go here. So you can see we have this all the filters at the top, and we have this type of sorting option. You can also have this sorting. Suppose I want to add the sorting like a reverse, so it will do everything in the reverse order. Okay, so you can see all the filters are also working, and this is also working. So you can see this website is fully responsive for all the screens. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this type of custom fully responsive e-commerce store using Elementor and the WordPress. Search will also work here. Okay, you can see everything is working here. Okay, so you can see the phone is also working. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make this type of custom e-commerce store using Elementor and the WordPress. All the images are free in the video description. Okay, so also you can buy this kit. I will put a link in the video description, so you can buy this e-commerce kit also, and you can fully expand this, add some more feature. Okay, customize this according to you. This is a fully pre-made Elementor kit ready for your store. Okay, so without wasting any time, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, because we're gonna make this whole project step by step from start in one shot. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, like and share our videos with your friends, subscribe to the channel. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start making this project.